Hello, and welcome to the Graduate School's newest academic tradition, Graduate School Research Days. The Fall 2020 event brings together the 3-minute thesis competition, Pints and Posters competition, and Building a Professional Image workshop. Graduate School Research Days are open to all current graduate students and individuals who support these trainees.
3MT is an international research and scholarly competition and an integral part of UTSA Graduate School Research Days. The goal of the competition is to develop students' academic, presentation, and professional communication skills. Graduate students have 3 minutes and a single PowerPoint slide to present compelling and engaging talks on their dissertation or thesis topic, its significance, and the relevance of the research to society and the community. 3MT empowers our students to consolidate their ideas and concisely explain their work to the public and scholars from other fields. For Fall 2020, we had 31 graduate students compete in a virtual 3MT competition environment. First, second, and third place winners, along with People's Choice, will be announced at the closing award ceremony on October 14th.
This year, we had our first graduate school poster competition. The Pints and Poster event is a great venue for our graduate students and postdocs to connect with our faculty members and undergraduate students, showcasing the exceptional and unique research at UTSA. For Fall 2020, we had 15 graduate students and postdocs compete in a virtual poster competition. First, second, and third place winners, along with People's Choice, will be announced at the closing award ceremony on October 14th.
We are pleased to have Dr. Rebecca Layton as a guest speaker for this fall's Research Days. Dr. Layton will lead a session on building your personal brand. During the session, she will describe what a personal brand is, why it is more than just a job title, how to find clarity around your personal brand through introspection, inspiration, and reimagination, and to effectively communicate your personal brand in order to build your career.
The Graduate School is excited to kick off this inaugural virtual event. We appreciate all the impressive scholarly submissions from our students and postdocs and the kind support of our guest speakers and competition judges. Thank you.